Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play crossword puzzles. First, familiarize yourself with the grid, which is a pattern of black and white squares. The white squares are where you will write your letters. Clues are provided in two lists, across for horizontal words and down for vertical words. Each clue corresponds to a numbered set of white squares, indicating where your answer will fit. Remember, every single white square holds one letter of a word. When you're ready to tackle the clues, observe their structure carefully. If a clue is a verb in the past tense, your answer will also be a past tense verb. Similarly, if it's a plural noun, your answer will be plural. Think about synonyms, antonyms, and common expressions that fit the clue. Also, always check the number of letters required for the answer, as indicated by the length of the white squares in the grid. A smart strategy is to begin with the clues you find easiest or most obvious. Once you fill in a word, those letters will intersect with other words, both across and down. These intersecting letters are incredibly helpful, providing valuable hints for adjacent answers. If you are uncertain about an answer, it's a good idea to lightly pencil it in. This allows for easy corrections without making a mess of your puzzle. To truly master crossword puzzles, consider learning common abbreviations and recurring patterns often found in clues. Consistent practice is key. The more puzzles you complete, the more your vocabulary will expand and your solving speed will increase. Don't hesitate to use a dictionary or a thesaurus as a learning tool when you're stuck. These resources can help you discover new words and understand clue nuances, making you a more formidable solver.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.